Hello friends, today we are going to make chicken salad. Very easy, very simple recipe. For this we are going to need some veggies like a salad mix, paprika, salad dressing, corn, olives, smoked chicken obviously, and then avocados. I did cut paprika and avocado here, and let's get started with adding the ingredients. The best part of making salad is you can be very flexible and you can keep adding whatever you like. This is just an example and the combination that I have tried and tested and liked a lot. That's why I'm sharing this. Avocados, try not to skip this because it really gives salad a very refreshing taste. And feel free to add some black pepper and chili flakes as well. And last but not the least, add any salad dressing to give it that finishing touch. So that's it. Very simple, very filling, and not to forget, a healthy, nutritious dish is ready. Please give it a try and let me know in the comment section whether you like it or not. Thank you.